go. The cops. The cops are stuck. Trucks are stuck. Everybody's stuck. There goes my car right there behind that red BMW. Nowhere to go. Look at the road. Look at that street. How the hell am I gonna get out of this shit? They haven't even cleaned it. Everybody that comes through here gets stuck. I'm gonna be one of those that's gonna get stuck. I don't think so. Look at that. The only thing that could come through here is pickups and crap like that. 4x4 shit. My car ain't got no 4x4. This is incredible. Let's focus more a little bit. See what the cops is doing. That's as much as I can focus. Now we got a van stuck over there too. Cops don't know what to do. They don't like shoveling. Now they're gonna have to shovel their car out of this shit. That truck is stuck. Now that pickup is stuck. Now we have a little bit of a traffic jam right in the corner of my block behind my car. That's my car. That's the chaos. Nobody could come past this block right here because of all the snow. So, for those that think that I'm bullshitting, that I can't leave my block, it's live. Coming to you from the hood. That's what happens when you live in the hood. These are the last ones to get it solved. So good. My car is clean. Can't even get it out. Compared to those across the street, they can't even move. This is what you call chaos. Winter blizzard. 2010. If this is 9, imagine what's waiting for us for 2011. Crap. Yo, stop stealing the mail. Why are you stealing the mail? Cops moved. Now I hear the fire department coming.